Good morning, everyone. This is your teacher, Miss Rita. I hope you are all doing well and I miss you very much. Today we will start explaining a new lesson in chapter 3. It is what are the life cycles of some animals. So please open your books on page 127. First, we will start by correcting the homework. We will explain what animals' life cycle is. We will also explain metamorphosis and solve exercises. You previously had 2 exercises as homework, so please I need you to copy the questions and answers on your copybook. Let's start. We have to fill in the blank. The first one is when a species has no members left that are alive, this is what we call an extinct species. Behavioral adaptations or inherited behaviors that help animals survive are called instincts. And finally, useful changes in the body parts of an animal are called physical adaptation. True or false? Correct the false statements. A long neck is a physical adaptation that helps a giraffe survive in its environment. This is true because the giraffe uses its long neck to reach the food. Second, you have a dog's ability to sit and roll over on command is an instinct. This is false because the dog learns how to do these tricks, so it's a learned behavior. Now I need you please to open your books on page 127 so we can start explaining the new lesson. First, we will start explaining what an animal's life cycle is. It is a pattern of birth, growth, and death. It shows us how animals are born and how they grow. Now in front of us, we can see the life cycle of a chicken. A chicken hatches from an egg, it grows into a small chick, and then the small chick grows into an adult. So this is the life cycle of a chicken. The second picture shows us the life cycle of a dog. A mother dog or a female dog gives birth to babies. The babies grow into puppies and then they transform into adults. In the examples that we studied in the previous slide, the animals that were born looked like their adult parents. However, some animals when they are born, they look different from their parents and they develop in stages. Let's look together at some examples where the animals that are born look different from their parents. The first example is a butterfly. When the butterfly hatches from an egg, it looks like a larva, and then the larva grows in stages to look like an adult butterfly. The second example is a frog. When the frog hatches from an egg, it looks like a tadpole, as you can see in the picture in front of you. Then this tadpole grows into stages to look like an adult frog. Later we will go deeper into these examples and we will see that in each stage the animal will have different forms. So we conclude that metamorphosis is when the animal changes form during its life cycle. Now I'm sure you're wondering which animals go through metamorphosis. We have 2 types of animals that go through metamorphosis. They are amphibians and insects. These animals that you are seeing in front of you, which are the salamander, the frog, and the toad, are amphibians, which means that they change the way they look by going through stages. Now let's solve page 127, number 1. We have to compare and contrast the life cycles of a cat and of an insect. So both animals change their size during the life cycle. A cat looks like an adult, so the cat looks like its mother, for example, when it's young. However, the insect looks different from its parents when it is young, and it develops in stages, which means that, as we previously said, the insect goes through metamorphosis. For next time, I need you to read page 127 and solve number 2. Thank you.